Let's apply multiple colors as background color or foreground color for the elements by using gradient colors concept. Yes, gradient colors concept is used to specify multiple colors as background or foreground of the element. Mainly you have two types of gradients, that is linear and radial gradient. The linear gradient allows you to specify multiple colors in a sequential order. For example, in this horizontal line, there is a red, and at this horizontal line, yellow, at this horizontal line, green. So red, yellow, green, these three colors are arranged in an order, that is horizontally. There is one more type of color, that is radial gradient colors. In this case, you will be able to define the shape either ellipse or circle or any other custom shape followed by a sequence of colors. So these colors are arranged in the given shape. In the codes project, I would like to apply the gradient colors for the state div tags in order to make them appear beautifully. This is the current background color of the state, that is light green background color. I would like to change this as gradient colors by using CSS. So go to the state div tag and specify linear gradient and then followed by n number of colors in a sequential order. For example, I mentioned some kind of red, some kind of green, followed by blue. So these three colors will be arranged horizontally by default. So the colors are going to look like this. But we have to change the property to background image instead of background color, because background color property simply allows you to specify single color. In this case, we are going to apply multiple colors. So we have to use background image instead of background color. Now it looks like this. So there is a red color at the top, green color at the middle, and a blue color at the bottom. And suppose you want to arrange the colors horizontally instead of vertical order. In order to specify the direction, write the direction as first parameter of the linear gradient, that is to bottom left. In this case, you can specify any corner of the element, either bottom left or bottom center or bottom right, center center, center left, or anything else. So out of 9 corners of the element, I want to arrange the colors sequentially from top right to bottom left. So this will show the colors diagonally from top right corner of the element, which is opposite of bottom left. So diagonally from the top right, center center, and bottom left. In this order, the colors are arranged. And now I'm going to write to right. So from the left to right order, the colors are arranged, that is horizontally instead of vertically. Now the output looks like this. So horizontally, the colors are arranged from left to right direction. You can also specify the percentage of occupation of each color individually, representing how much space in the element should be occupied by each color. By default, it is equally distributed. So in case of 3 colors, it is 33% for each one. But now I'm going to change the color occupation as 10%, 30%, and 50%, specifying individually for each color. So in this case, it looks like this. So 10%, 30%, and 50% space of the element is occupied by the respective colors, that is red, green, and blue. You also have an option of radial gradient. So radial gradient of some colors. First we have to specify the shape, that is circle or ellipse. In this case, I am going to provide the circle, followed by the colors, with or without percentages. So the colors will be arranged in the form of circle in the radial gradient mode. Now it looks like this. So the red color occupies 10% of the element, and green is 30% of the element, and 50% of the element is occupied by the blue. You can specify any number of colors, not only 3. In order to make the elements look fancy, instead of traditional approach, you can use the gradient colors. This is all about gradient colors in CSS3.